If you try to stop a sneeze, you need to stop immediately. But if you've ever held in a sneeze, like and subscribe. So, what will happen if you don't stop holding your sneezes? People stop their sneezes because they want to avoid being loud or messy in public, but that will be their biggest regret for the rest of their lives. But why is it so dangerous? Well, a sneeze travels at over 100 miles per hour, and blocking that exit forces all that massive pressure back into your head, which can rupture your eardrums, pop blood vessels in your eyes, or even cause a life-threatening brain aneurysm. So,